Hello, this one is the series of building Streamlit prediction dashboard with Python. This video will be short. This will be about the data sources that we are going to operate it and handling of the API keys with them. So in previous lesson we went over requirements txt file, and now let's just create a dotenv file, which is a good practice. Well, I already created it. I am using data from two sources, FMP and Tiingo. You can see here the variables that I assigned. Here you will be writing the keys that you will get from both of these data sources. Both of them have their free tier, which is quite generous actually. I'm not telling which one to go with, I'm using them both, so yeah. This is the financial modeling prep, or FMP, and here is the Tiingo. They both have excellent documentation, and I would recommend you to use them both. So we will have these keys stored here, and basically what we are going to do next, the development roadmap here is, next we are going to work on the fetch data, but before that we are obviously going to have a project end-to-end structure built. Okay, so make sure to register at FMP and or Tiingo. Get the API keys that you want, that you will need for data grabbing and further analysis, and we will go one by one for all of these phases and files that we are going to create, but of course we will require keys to have prior to go with fetching data, for example. So I see you at the next lesson. Bye.